The first step is you're going to remove these rods. There's a little collar that you can unhook with an Allen wrench. Down in here, you'll loosen it, and then come back here and lift and pull. Keep the rods, they're going to come in handy. We've got models for left hand and right hand. We're doing a right hand install today, so we will take the steering module or whatever, and we're going to throw it right on the rail. Put it about 3/4 of the way up, at least that's where I like to put it. Boom. Okay, next we are going to thread the plug. You should receive this in your kit. So one for the left, one for the right. We go from the front. Yeah, go from the front. Throw it in there. Great. And then same thing with the other one. Boom. Now you're going to grab those rods that we saved. All right, thread a rod back through. You only need one. Put a piece of tape on this side of it. Boom. And then grab your two lines. Gonna get the end of it. That's the left. So we'll do the right first. We're gonna throw that right here. Okay. And then the left one goes right here. And then we're gonna wrap it nice and tight to make our job of threading this thing through that much easier. We're gonna push gently to start the process. We're in. Now we're gonna grab that other plug. We're gonna do the same thing, except this time plastic end first. Boom. Left and right. And you actually crisscross these guys. It'll make sense when we put the tube in or whatever. But here we go. Come on through, baby. Come on through. There you go. And we plug it up. Now, if we've done this right, when we pull on the left side here, the steering will turn to the left, or the actual knob will turn to the left. When we turn to the right, or we pull on this one, it'll turn to the right. If that's done correctly, then we got to twist this 180, because that is just how you do it. Now, we're going to put these two up here. You can see that I've already done my left-handed steering. We're doing right-handed today, so I'm going to take the nut off of this. Nut and washer go underneath. We got to drill holes. So this first one here, it's not rocket Scientology, but you want to be a little bit basically getting it right on the edge here, the front edge and the back edge. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. That feels about right. Are we doing it? Beautiful. Cool. So that'll be the first one. We'll mark that right underneath. Squibbity bibbity. There you go. Okay. Now we're going to do the second one. Same sort of concept. We'll wrap this around thusly. And we want it to be back here. And we also don't want these lines to get into the way. So that looks about right. More up. Yeah, that's good. Cool. Throw that guy there. Mark it. Next step, we're going to drill some holes. 3/16. Good to go. It is really, really thin, so just be careful. Boom. Boom. Now we're going to put these in. Again, washer and nut go on the bottom. Get you out of the way. Boom. Have to do this with one hand at the same time. There we go. Screw that till it's nice and tight. Use a tool. Using these for plumbing, but you know, whatever. Do your thing. Anything you can use to just grab onto it strong in there, because it's a lock nut. You see? Okay, boom. That's all set. We'll do the next one. Same thing. Just get it started. Am I blocking this? Okay. Squibbly bibbly. Boom. We're tightened. Cool. Now, the fun part. So, take that here. This guy's going right here. So we'll wrap it around that way. And then this one goes around the bottom. So we want to make sure that we thread it below the line there. Just makes it so that it's holding on the bottom a little bit easier. We'll wrap it all the way around. And then there's a hole. You'll see it able to go through right here. You might need to take out these screws. We're going to put those right back in. Okay. Screw and washer. You can see the line coming through here. Pull that up. Make sure we're not going underneath. Okay. We're going to pull it firm, but not tight yet. Okay. Put this back. Make sure the line is out in front of it here, coming through that chamber. Okay. Go. Just start it that way. And then we're going to move this back thusly. Okay. That's good. Front secure-ish. Now we're going to do the back. And for this one, do the same thing. But now, since it's going just up on the top, right here, remove this screw and washer so we can see it. Again, it's going to go into that little chamber. It's up top, and it's going to stay on the top thread. Let's see here. Where'd you go? There you are. Boom. There it is. Okay, we're going to pull it firm, not yet tight. Okay, good. This guy in there. Get it started. Wrap around, come to the back. Okay, cool. So now we're going to tighten these a little bit. We're not going to tighten them completely. All right, now throw the rudder on, because we're going to want to hold on to it while we adjust the steering. It just helps to have that rudder below. Okay, boom, get in there. Ah. Beautiful. Okay. Looks like we got it. All right. I'll tighten this. Beautiful. Steering is straight right now. What we want. And we're just going to kind of tighten these lines. Make sure that when the rudder is being straightened, that you have the steering handle straight. Now we're just going to make sure we got no slack on these. We're going to pull them together, get them nice and firm. That's pretty good. Rudder is straight. We're going to tighten them down. Whenever you need to adjust, this is how you'll do it too. Just loosen these screws, pull, boom. All right, let's give it a try. Left goes to the left, right goes to the right. Testing again. Left, ba-boom. To the right. There we go.